On this kid safari, we went to Home Depot.
It's cool that we get to make a plane.
For an arts and crafts day. At Home Depot on the first Saturday of every month, they do a kids' arts and crafts activity. The one that we went to was to make airplanes. I want to make a giant cool plane. We made fireplanes. It's a plane that drops water on a fire. We first got orange aprons.
There you go, bud.
Then all our materials. I found a spot. We got wood and screws and nails and instructions.
Magnet.
First on, we screw on these pieces of wood. Then we hammer the wings to the wing body. The body of a plane is called a fuselage. Then we hammer on the landing gear. Then we stick the elevators and the rudder into the back.
Like this?
Yep, so we had it, but nice and flush.
So all the way in?
Yeah.
And we screw on propellers. It was so much fun, but our work doesn't stop there. Next we get to paint it.
Doing good, Stilly. I like your red airplane.
I started mine out painting red. Lysander painted his orange. Then he mixed some colors, then it looked more brown. And I mixed colors too. I added this bright green. And then I added some blue.
That's enough, Stone. That's enough.
Stop.
You're wasting
Make
paint.
more purple. It was really colorful. We had so much fun making our airplanes. It's really neat building things with your hands and learning how to use tools. You should try them out. Home Depot on the first Saturday of the month. It's a great family activity.
I've got a plane. So cool, isn't it? I made it at the Home Depot. And I made this cool plane, and it has all these, I made it brown and orange and blue. Isn't that cool?
That's it for this Kid Safari. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. Bye-bye.